Avoid ginger if you have these health problems. Hey there, Healthline Champions. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best health tips, tricks, and information to keep you feeling your absolute best. If you're new here, make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe so you never miss out on our awesome content. Today, we're diving into a spicy topic. Quite literally. We all know ginger is a fantastic spice, known for its medicinal properties and delicious kick in our favorite dishes. But did you know there are certain health conditions that might make you want to think twice before reaching for that ginger tea? Yep, you heard that right. So, sit tight, and let's explore when you might need to avoid ginger in your diet. And hey, stick around because we've got some pretty interesting stuff lined up. Ready? Let's go. 1. Gallstones. First up, gallstones. These tiny, painful stones can cause quite a bit of trouble. Ginger stimulates bile production, which is usually great. But for someone with gallstones, this can exacerbate the problem. If you've ever had gallstones, you know they're no joke. So, if you're prone to these pesky stones, you might want to avoid ginger and spare yourself some pain. 2. Bleeding disorders. Next on the list, bleeding disorders. Ginger has natural blood-thinning properties, which can be beneficial for heart health. But, if you have a bleeding disorder like hemophilia, ginger can increase your risk of bleeding. Think of ginger as that overenthusiastic friend who wants to help but sometimes overdoes it. If your blood's already on the thin side, maybe give ginger a rain check. 3. Diabetes. Now, let's talk about diabetes. Ginger can lower blood sugar levels, which is typically a good thing. However, for those managing diabetes with medication, this can lead to dangerously low blood sugar levels. It's like adding more salt to an already salty dish. Not the best idea, right? So, if you're on diabetes meds, consult your doctor before adding ginger to your diet. 4. Heart conditions. Ginger is also known to affect heart rate and blood pressure. If you have a heart condition or on medication for blood pressure, ginger might interfere with your meds and cause complications. We all love that heart-pounding excitement, but not when it's due to health issues. Keep that ticker in check and be cautious with ginger. 5. Pregnancy. For all the soon-to-be moms out there, this one's for you. While ginger can help with morning sickness, too much of it can lead to heartburn and potentially affect hormone levels, which isn't ideal during pregnancy. So, maybe ease up on the gingerbread cookies this holiday season. Your tummy will thank you later. 6. Gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD. If you suffer from GERD or frequent heartburn, ginger might not be your friend. It can relax the lower esophageal sphincter, allowing stomach acid to creep up and cause that burning sensation. Heartburn is already fiery enough. No need to add more fuel to that fire with ginger. 7. Recent surgery. And lastly, if you've recently had surgery, ginger can interfere with blood clotting. This can be risky post-surgery, as you need your blood to clot properly to heal. Think of it as putting a band-aid on a cut. You need it to stick. So, hold off on the ginger until you're fully recovered. There you have it, folks. 7 health conditions that might make you want to avoid ginger. Remember, everyone's body is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making any major dietary changes. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthline Champions for more health tips and advice. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or topics you want us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy, champions.